Hello and welcome. This is Nikhil Raj, course director for tutormash.com. In this session, I will explain you how to do resource histograms in Primavera Basics. So what is resource histogram? It is used for the purpose of displaying the specific amounts of time that a particular resource is scheduled to be worked on over a predetermined and specific time period. So here I will show you an example of a stacked histogram. So when you use stacked histogram, program will show you a graphical display of all the resources that require for every week or month or day or whatever you want. So here you can see there is a graph that's showing the amount of carpenter requirement, the amount of fitter requirement, and the amount of welder requirement on a particular period of week 1. So how much is required, you can measure it from the y-axis. So this is how a stacked histogram looks like. So we can generate a similar kind of stacked histograms in Primavera. So let's create a histogram of carpenter, fitter, and welder in Primavera. So here is a project. In this project I have assigned a lot of resources. Here you can see here a lot of resources I have assigned. Now I need to understand how much quantity of resources are required in a specific period of time. So the first thing, you need to set the time scale. I want to see the resources on weekly basis. So I'll go to time scale and I will say month per week, press apply and say OK. After that you can go to resource usage profile. You can right click here, say stacked histogram. So nothing is showing up here. Right click again and say resource usage profile option. So when you reach here, you need to create filter for every resource that you want to display. So press add and say where all resources is under the value carpenter. You can change name to carpenter. Press OK. Again create a filter. Say where resources is under the value of fitter. Say OK. Again add where resources is under the value of supervisor. You can name it as supervisor. You can add number of resources like this. So resources is under the name welder. So likewise you can add resources. After that you can press apply and say OK. So here you can see this color represent the welder, yellow color represent the supervisor, green color represent the fitter, and this blue color represents the carpenter. So this is how we analyze the resources using stacked histograms. So you can also make use of this option. This is a wonderful option. You can create histograms for steel, you can create histogram for concrete, RMC, you can create histogram for all the labors, you can create histogram for contractors. So whatever you want, you can make it as the way I made it. So that is stacked histograms. So hope you understood this session and thanks for watching.